Hello everyone and welcome to my Google site. In this video I will be doing an introduction of the Google site I have created for my MEDA class. So this site is basically an educational technology site and it's a showcase of my work throughout the course of the semester. So on the first page I have a brief introduction of myself and this platform, followed by some of the assignments throughout the semester. First being the Meet the Teacher video, which we made with iMovie. The second is a self-introduction we did on Google Docs. Next are the different professional developments we've done. We did a resume, also on Google Docs. It was one of the templates, very easy to use and create. This was my final project video, which is basically just an explanation of the different resources we used in different assignments and some of them that I found to be the most beneficial. And lastly, down here, I have a Google site introduction video, which I will upload right after I film this. I'm filming it now. So the next bar on my Google site is the different tools for education. I have tools for instruction, tools for classroom and job management, and tools for assessment. So in my tools for instruction, I have a Google Docs with a brief summary, the Google Slides with a brief summary, and I have embedded it in. I have my iMovie again. It was a self-introduction, and Nearpod with a link to my personal Nearpod. You can click on it, it'll take you to it. And then I have a Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using to film this video. I just filmed another video with it explaining the coursework of this class and posted it on the site. For the classroom and job management, I have a Google Forms that I embedded in here. And for tools for assessment, another Google Forms. Of course, you could change this to assess whatever you wanted to and embed it within your site. And I also have a contact and feedback section of my site with my email and a Google form that I did a feedback assessment on that you can submit, and I'll get all of the feedback directly sent back to me through Google. This is my Google site, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video and let me explain kind of what we've been working on the past couple weeks in this class.